Namaskaram, dear students. This is an endeavor to learn and understand Natashastra online. Fully free, only requirement is sincerity and commitment. We'll try to first understand briefly what is Natashastra, why, and then quickly look at some important aspects. Then go to study Natashastra wise, sloka wise. Let's begin with the prayer that Bharata writes, Pranamya Sirasa Devo Pitamah Maheshwarao Natishastram Pravakshyami Brahmana Yadudahritam Bhartamuni starts his Natishastra with a prayer to Brahma and Shiva. And the most important aspect of Natishastra is this one sloka number 17 in chapter 1. Natat Shastram, Natat Jnanam, Natat Shilpam, Nasa Vidya, Nasa Kala, Nasa Yoga, Natat Karma, Natyasmin, Nadrishyate. There is no knowledge, no sculpture, no education, no art, no yoga, no action, which is not represented in Natya. Natya is drama, Shastra is science. Please remember, Natya is not dance, though we use it synonymous with dance. A treatise on dramaturgy, Natashastra, is ascribed to Bharata, 2nd century BC. Some people bring him to 2nd century AD too, but I believe 2nd century BC. There are 36 chapters and 6,000 verses. Because there are 6,000 verses, 6 is Shat in Sanskrit, 1,000 is Sahasra. So this book is also known as Shat Sahastri, which has 6,000 verses. Tradition tells us there are preceptors before Bharata who worked on Natya and also Rasa. In fact, Bharata himself quotes some of those verses in the chapter 6, where he deals with Natashastra. Their names are given by Panini as Panini is the 2nd and 4th century BC grammarian, who said there are two Natasutras known as Shilalin and Krishashva. We all know that Abhinavagupta, 10th century, wrote the commentary, Kashmiri Shaivit, wrote the commentary combining his name and Bharata's name. It's known as Abhinava Bharati, which is authentic and available, without which perhaps we will not understand Natashastra as much as we do today. There are many manuscripts of Natashastra spread over the country. There are about 39 manuscripts in Kerala and many manuscripts all over the country, Tamil Nadu, Nepal, Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Karnataka, Andhra and all that. The first ever article on a Natashastra, even before it was printed, was written by a German in 1874. And a French scholar wrote about Vachika Abhinaya in 1884. And Natashastra's Sanskrit text was first published in 1894, edited by the head of a Sanskrit department, Oriental College, Lahore, which is now in Pakistan. As a result of many researches between 1900 and 1926 by Manaval, Ramakrishna Kavi and others, we got the copy of commentary by Abhinavagupta, Abhinav Bharati. Later it was started printing of Natashastra in 1926, 1929, and Manmohan Ghosh 4 volumes was printed in 1950-56 with English translation and transliteration. Now Bharata never used the word nritya at all. He uses either nritta, which we call pure dance. Pure dance, no dance is impure, but we can call it pure dance because it's devoid of any rasa and bhava. We'll come to that at a little later stage. But nritta and natya are used. Bharata talks of rasa in chapter 6, where he gives 11 aspects that are dealt with in Natashastra. This is a very important shloka. When we come to this, we should memorize this. If you know this shloka, you will know that Natashastra contains these 11 topics, and these 11 are rasa, bhava, abhinaya, dharmi, vritti, pravrittayah, siddhi, swaraha, atha, atodyam, ganam, rangancha, sangraha. Rasa, bhava, abhinaya, dharmi, vritti, pravritti, siddhi, swara, atodya, gana, ranga. Now let us just briefly see how many each one of them. For example, rasas are 8 in number, dealt with in chapter 6. Bhavas are 49 sthayi bhavas. Static are 8, sanchari or vyabhichari bhavas, transited are 33. Satvika bhavas are 8, total 49 dealt with in chapter 7. And Abhinayas are four types. Angika Abhinaya is dealt with in chapter 4, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Vachika Abhinaya dealt with in chapter 14, 15, 16, 17. Aharya Abhinaya, costume and makeup, is dealt with in chapter 21. Dharmi is mode of dramatic representation. We all know Loka Dharmi, which reflects the practice of people and extempore. Natya Dharmi, theatrical mode or stylistic symbolic, which follows a book. And it is in chapter 13, Vrittis are four, Bharati, Satvati, Chaiva, Kaishiki, Arabhati, Dada. Bharati is mostly verbal, Satvati is grand, Kaishiki is graceful, and Arabhati is energetic and vibrant, dealt with in chapter 20. Pravrittis are four, these are regional variations in dramatic expression. Avanti, Dakshinatya, Odra Magadhi, and Panchala Madhyama, chapter 13. Siddhi is two types, divine and human, chapter 27. Swara or musical notes are 7 in number, we all know. There are two types. He says swaras produced by human voice and swaras produced by instruments, dealt with in chapter 28. Atodhya are musical instruments, four kinds. Tatam chaiva, avanadham cha, ghanam sushiramevacha. Tata is stringed instruments, veena, etc. Avanadha is covered or percussion instruments like mridangam. Ghana is solid instruments like cymbals, etc. Shishira, wind instruments like flute, etc. dealt with in chapters 29, 34, 31, and 30 respectively. Gana or song is also known as dhruva. It is 5 types, indicating the context in which they are sung. If a character sings the song while pravesham, entering, it's called praveshiki dhruva. And if it is unexpected song, it is called akshepiki dhruva. If it is character is leaving and sing a song, it's called naishkramiki dhruva. And if it is a prayer, it's called prasadiki dhruva. If it is an interluding song, it is called antara dhruva. Dhruvas are dealt with in chapter 32. Ranga is the stage. At that time, where there are audio facilities or video facilities or lighting facilities or screen may not be there, at that time he divides Ranga stage into 3 sizes, rectangular, square, and triangle. Now the class begins with chapter 1 and you can start listening to the slokas. We deal with 11 slokas today. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful learning experience. Pranamya Sirasa Devau Pitamaha Maheshwarau Natyashastram Pravakshyami Brahmanaya Dudahrutam. I salute to Brahma and Maheshwara with bowed head and tell you the Natya Shastra. Samapajapyam Vratinam Swasutaihi Parivaritam Anadhyaye Kadachittam Bharatam Natyakovidam Munayah Paryupastvaivam Atreya Pramukha Pura Prapachhuste Mahatmano Niyatendriya Buddhayaha. One day, on a day when Anadhyaya means on a day when the new lessons are not taught, so after he finished his japam, the Munis have asked him, the following questions. Yoyam Bhagavata Samyak Gradhito Veda Sammitah Natya Vedaha Kadam Brahman Utpannaha Kasya Akrute Krutyangah Kim Pramanachya Prayogaschasya Kidrushaha Sarvametad Yadha Tattvam Bhagavan Vaktumarhasi. How is this Natya Veda, which is equivalent to Veda, originated, for whom? And please tell us, what are the various components of this? What is the pramanam? What is the authenticity of this? And how it should be prayogam? How it should be performed? Please let us know the details. Tesham tadvachanam sritva muninam bharato munihi pratyuvacha tato vakyam natyaveda kadham prati bhavadbihi शुचिभिर्भूत्वा सदा वहितमानसैः श्रूयतां नाट्यवेदस्य संभवो ब्रह्मनिर्मितः. After listening to the words of the Munis, Bharata replied to them as below. He said, all of you with pious body and mind and with concentration listen to the Natya Veda, which is created by Brahma. पूर्वं कृतयुगे विप्राः वृत्ते स्वयंभुवे अन्तरे त्रेतायुगे अथ सम्प्राप्ते मनोर्वैवस्वतस्य च ग्रामधर्मप्रवृत्ते तु कामलोभवशङ्गते ईर्ष्याक्रोधाभिसम्मूढे लोके सुखितदुःखिते देवदानवगन्धर्वयक्षरक्षो महोरगैः जम्बूद्वीपे समाक्रान्ते लोकपालप्रतिष्ठिते महेन्द्रप्रमुखैर्देवैः उक्तः किल पितामहः क्रीडनीकमिच्छामो दृश्यं श्रव्यं च यद्भवेत्. Once, at the end of Swayambhuva Manu and the beginning of the Vaivasvata Manu, after the end of Kruta Yuga, when the Treta Yuga came, people started falling into mundane materialistic life, and they were subject to kama, krodha, lobha, irshya and other things, lust, desire, anger, etc. And the Jambudvipam was occupied by devas, danavas, gandharvas, yakshas, rakshasas. Uragas means snakes. Then the Lokapalas led by Devendra went to Brahma and asked him, give us something which is Shravyam, audio, Drishyam, visual, and Vinodatmakam, which is entertaining. Kridaniyakam ichhamo Drishyam Shravyam cha yadbhavet. न वेदव्यवहारो अयं संश्राव्य शूद्रजातिषु तस्मात् सृजा अपरं वेदं पंचमं सार्ववर्णिकम्. Because Vedas are not allowed to be recited by some communities, that's why I will create Aparam Vedam, another Veda, which is the Panchama Veda, which will be available to, accessible to all people, Sarva Varnikam, for all communities. Evamasttviti tanuktva devarajam visrujya cha sasmara chaturo vedan yogam asthaya tattvavit. Okay, I will do like that, he said, and let Indra go. Then Brahma, sat in meditation and thought of the 4 Vedas. Dharma madhyam yashashyam cha sopadesham sasangraham bhavisyatascha lokasya sarvakarmanudarshakam sarvashastrartha sampannam sarvashilpa pradarshakam natyakhyam panchamam vedam setihasam karomyaham. I will now create that which will give dharma, useful, brings fame, will teach the required tenets and morals to the world in the future. It will be a compendium of all Shastras, all arts. It will be known as the Panchama Veda by the name Natya, which is embedded with Itihasam. Itihasam means a branch of knowledge which gives pleasure. एवं संकल्प्य भगवान सर्ववेदान अनुस्मरन् नाट्यवेदं ततश्चक्रे चतुर्वेदांग संभवम्. Having decided like that, Bhagavan Brahma thought of the all Vedas, that means all the 4 Vedas, and created Natya Vedam with all the components from the 4 Vedas. Please memorize this verse. It's a very important verse. Jagraha Pathyam Rigvedat Samabhyo Gitamevacha Yajurvedat Abhinayan rasan adharvanadapi. He then created, taking Pathyam, text from Rigveda, Geetam, music from Samaveda, Abhinaya from Yajurveda, and Rasa from Atharva Veda. वेदोपवेदैः सम्बद्धो नाट्यवेदो महात्मना एवं भगवता सृष्टो ब्रह्मणा सर्ववेदिना. Like that, Brahma, who knows everything, created Natyaveda together with Vedas and the Upavedas. There are 4 sub-Vedas known as Upavedas, one each for each of the Vedas. For Rigveda it is Ayurveda, for Yajurveda it is Dhanurveda, for Samaveda it is Gandharva Veda you can say, and for the Atharvana Veda it is Shilpa Veda. These are called the Upavedas. So along with them he has created the Natya Veda. उत्पाद्य नाट्यवेदन्तु प्राहशक्रम पितामहः इतिहासो मया सृष्टः सुरेषु नियुज्यताम्. I have created Natyaveda. After creating Natyaveda, he called Shakra. Shakra means Indra. Pitamaha means grandfather, basically Brahma. So Brahma called Indra and told him, Itihaso Maya Srishtaha, I have created Natyaveda with historical tales. Sa Sureshu Niyujyatam, you have to employ the gods to enact it. And the next sloka 20, Kuchala ye vidagdhascha pragalbhascha jitasramaha teshu ayam natya sangyo hi vedaha sankramyatam tvaya. You have to give them, the gods, this Natya Veda, because they are skillful, Kushala.